Some of you might be new to mining and are wondering how to calculate your profitability better. It's important to know that there are dev mining fees and pool fees. Today on that Techo Guy, I'll be discussing these fees and how you need to deduct them from your overall costs in order to calculate your profitability better. Stay tuned. Okay, so for this example on mining pool fees, I'm going to take unMineable as the pool. As you may know, unMineable has a pool fee of 1% by default, but you can lower that fee to 0.75% if you use a referral code. I'll put my referral code down below if you'd like to use that to lower your fee. Now let's say, for example, I select a coin here, let's say Wink here, it's going to say that the mining fee is 1%. So when you put your referral code in, that's going to lower that fee down by 0.25%. And that will give you a bit of savings right there. Here, if I'm going to calculate how much Wink I would make per day, you need to know what your mega hash is. Always remember that if you are mining on your CPU and not GPU, you need to click the random X algorithm and then calculate, because this is going to change that to hash per second from mega hash per second. And if you're using any other algorithm like CowPow, you need to do the same thing, because that will obviously change what values you need to input here as well. So let's just select a coin here, and I'm going to select Ether. Let's say I'm going to mine Ethereum on the unMineable pool, and I'm going to use ET hash, and I know that my hash rate is around 273 mega hash, and that's going to give me 0.008 at the time of this video. Now, what you need to keep in mind is that there is a 1% fee here. Let's say I lowered that with the referral code to 0.75% instead. So I'm going to have 0.75% as a mining pool fee, but you also need to keep in mind that if I'm using my GPU, for example, there is also a dev fee. If I'm using T-Rex miner, there is another 1% dev fee for using the T-Rex miner. If you're using Phoenix miner, which by the way, a new version was just released, it is 5.6D now, the dev fee is the lowest there is in the industry at the moment at 0.65%. Just keep in mind that you need to include the miner fee as well, and it's not just about the pool fee. So in this case, that would be 0.75 from unMineable if I use the referral code, plus 0.65%, which is 1.4%. If you're going to use Phoenix miner, that is, okay? If you're going to use T-Rex, you might get a slightly higher hash rate, but the dev fee is also slightly higher as well. Now, the miner fees are paid by the miner automatically. What it does, it basically just gets a few minutes per day and it starts mining to the developer's wallet instead of to your wallet. So in the case of 1%, it would roughly mine for about 1 minute every 2 hours. So in a whole day, you'll pretty much mine for the developer for 12 minutes to 15 minutes out of the whole day. I like to use Minerstat, so I'm going to go to Minerstat to do my calculations. So let's say I wanted to mine Ethereum directly, okay? So I'm going to mine Ethereum, 273 mega hash. I know that I'm burning 900 watts. Now this is what you've got to be careful here. It's not just about the pool fee as we just discussed, it is also about the miner fee. So let's say here I'm going to do 1.4, which is the 0.75 from unMineable, plus the 0.65 from Phoenix miner, because I'm going to use Phoenix miner, for example. Currency, I'm going to leave it in euro, and the cost of my electricity is 13 cents. And you just hit calculate. That is the proper way that you need to calculate this because of the pool fee. So this is obviously going to change. The profits here you're going to make are going to change depending on the day, depending on the coin, depending on the price, depending on the difficulty, and how many people are mining the coin as well. So do keep that in mind as well. Current daily, here it's saying 0.007 per day once you deduct all the pool fees. So if I were to set this as 0, okay, and hit calculate again, it went up slightly, okay, just a little bit. So it was 29, it is now €29.60 estimated profit after electricity a day. If I re-add the pool fee from 29.60, I went down to 29.15. So be sure that you're calculating the pool fee properly, because over large amounts of time mining the coin, it will make a difference. In a whole day here, the difference was around 45 cents just because of the pool fee. Okay, so do make sure that you're calculating the pool fee properly as well, and make sure to include the miner fee as well. For those of you that are mining on a CPU and using XM rig, the dev fee is also 1%, so make sure to include that here as well. I hope you found this video useful, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I thank all of you that have already subscribed to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell for more great tech content, and until next time, take care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.